Want to train units in Rise of Castles but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to train units in Rise of Castles. So without any further ado, let's get started. You can train units from Barracks and Archery Range. If you want to train Footmen, select Barracks, but if you want Archers, select Archery Range. Now tap on the train button. Select the footmen that you want to train. After that, tap on the train button which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. And that's how you can train units in Rise of Castles. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.